Today I've been looking at installing the Fiamma F35 Pro on my Type 5 van onto these aftermarket cross braced roof bars. I got this F35 Pro standard kit with the brackets, but I wasn't really very happy with the way that it could be attached to those roof bars using these really small brackets and rather small thumb bolt things, which are designed to make it come off quite easily, but I think it might fall off. So looking at these roof bars, I needed to adapt those brackets. So what we did is we cut some mild steel and welded it to the brackets on the underside, drilled some large holes, slightly oversized, so the brackets could be fitted using some high tensile bolts to the roof bars. Bit of cleaning up, bit of black paint, and we're ready to fit them. First job is to remove this piece of rubber trim, locate the new brackets and drill a few holes. I decided to use the rubber pads that were supplied in the Fiamma awning fitting kit just to give it something to pull down onto when I attach the bracket to the roof bar. Lined these up just about correctly and marked a few holes. After drilling the holes, I put the bolts in, did them up. The whole bracket is now really firmly attached to the roof bar, which means the awning can hang on it quite successfully. The awning's nice and firmly attached to the van now, and with only 4 bolts to remove, it means I can take the awning off at any time. It's much less fiddly than the Fiamma method.